Okay, so we got pickles for our flaming hot pickles. What else we got, Avery?
We got shrimp.
Alright, so this is our egg wash.
And
this is our cornmeal because we like our shrimp and our what? Our fried pickles to be crunchy, right?
Yep.
And we got what?
Flaming hot.
Yes. So first we're going to start by just doing a couple of the pickles. So we put them in our egg wash, and then we're going to put them in our cornmeal. So then we're going to put them back in our egg wash, and then we're going to put it in our
Flaming hot.
Flaming Hots. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave that one there for a minute and do a couple more. Then we're going to unpause this video. And here's our finished product of the Flamin' Hot Dill Pickle. Can't wait to try it. So we're going to do the shrimp next. And then we're going to put them in the air fryer.
I don't know. What's on there?
Okay, yeah. Alright, so here's our first shrimp. You can put it in the plate.
And it looks so nice.
It looks awesome. Alright, Avery, get one more so we can show them how we did it.
Okay.
That's our first one.
Just cleaning my hands right now.
And these are not going to take long at all. I think I'm going to set it for about 15 minutes, if that long. So Avery, you got he wanted to do this part, the messy part. And you put it in the cornmeal. And I will go ahead and do the Flamin' Hots. So just, you know how I did it last time? I just kind of sprinkled it a little.
Yep.
And then one more time and turn it over. Make sure you got that side real good. And one more time in the egg wash. So we got to get it wet one more time, guys, because it's got to go in the, yeah, let it drain, good job. It's got to go in that Flamin' Hot mixture again. Alright. And so as you see, we got it in our Flamin' Hot mixture. And Avery likes hot stuff. I like hot stuff. His dad likes hot stuff. His grandpa likes hot stuff. On my side, I don't think your grandpa on your dad's side does, but I could be wrong. So as you can see, we are a family that likes spicy, and these are the Flamin' Hot puffs, so they're not the Cheetos, and I think these are a little bit, to me, for whatever, they taste better, and they're not as hot to me as the actual Cheeto Flamin' Hot. I just like I prefer the flavor for these better.
Yeah.
For some reason. So we're done. We're gonna put that one with the other, and we're gonna do the rest, and then we will unpause and show you what they look like done. And here is our first batch of the Flamin' Hot shrimp. We're going to put them in the air fryer. We just finished doing the pickles, and we'll show you what they look like in just a second. And here is our finished product. And guess who's going to try them for you? Avery. So let's get Avery seated down to the table. Hello guys, so Avery's got Flamin' Hot pickles and shrimp, and we got some ranch dressing here, and we got some sriracha ranch dressing. Don't try that one, your dad likes that one.
Wait,
but you don't,
one?
yeah,
Okay.
You don't have to actually use either one if you don't want to, but Which one you gonna try? I'm gonna try a pickle. You could try one too.
Okay.
It actually tastes good. It's not hot. You can taste the dill. Okay. You want to try the shrimp?
Yeah.
So guys, Avery's got his emergency water right there just in case. Okay, try the shrimp. It's not hot either. Wow, imagine that. And you can taste the shrimp. It tastes really good.
Yeah.
So guys, it took us about 15 minutes to air fry this. And it took us a whole bag of the Flamin' Hot Cheeto Puffs. Make sure if you're going to do some jumbo strips like this that you use the whole bag. And the house tour starts now.